Hi guys!
Hi guys!
Finally, like in old good days, huh? So today we got 3 tips for you. First one, if you have headache for any reason, well, better is to find it to remove it, but let's say that you need help, so don't eat pills, okay? Just Tina, just do this, well, ask someone, and you feel, let's say after 5 or 10 minutes, total relief, okay? Well, for me, it works every time. So the best way is here, okay, and here, well, here, yeah, and also here on the back. Okay, thank you. This is the first one. So usually, well, if you want to have peace in your head forever, you need to eat your own food from your own garden, and you will have peace here, okay, in your head. The second one is whenever you, well, not feel good, or let's say you feel little or sick or something like that, or just not in a good mood, doesn't matter, you just ask, not Tina, but well, your friend or love, or doesn't matter, just to rub you here on the back, and you feel instant relief. Or if you
Here, where is the spine?
yep, it's so great. Thank you. And the third one is too simple, so just water. not just little, you need to drink, let's say 1 liter, and you will be fine, whatever is reason. For example, if you didn't eat so much alkaline food, this is great to neutralize the acids in your body. Or if you want to push it down so that you have more energy, or you feel asleep, just water and you are up again. So water is perfect, okay, because we are eating and we need to somehow flush it, okay. This is it. If you have further question or more detailed, okay, just put a comment below and we'll be glad to answer you. Thank you very much to join us.
Thank you.
And be with us.
And subscribe.
Oh, of course, and share. Well,
Ciao, ciao.
ciao ciao.